Let's get better at chess. Number 29, 30? I don't know what number it is. Let's get better at chess. So we got a c3 Sicilian here. Played against this countless times after e5 and pinning the knight. Yeah, Engine likes this for white, but I like it for black. Uh, you're attacking at the center. I mean, you don't have the c pawn anymore to get at this guy, but you can play e6, f6. Yeah, I've played a lot of blitz games where I just attack these pawns like a million times and I managed to win one of them. And sometimes I win both of them for nothing, so I'm not going to analyze the opening too deep. Castle, he takes this knight. It's a good knight, it's attacking the center. And what is the bishop really doing here if it's not going to take the knight? If I play rook c8, I can take back with the rook and get a rook on an open file. So he takes it right away. And now here's my first screw up. After knight e4, I have a chance to strike right away with f6. And yeah, if he moves the bishop, I'm just winning a pawn. This knight is pinned. Not only is it pinned, but now I've opened the rook on it too. So that would be very good. And if he takes, bishop takes. Yeah, again, after say bishop e3, and say queen d6, but probably even backing up is also good. You'll note the pressure here. This knight is way off. There's no light squared bishop, and I can mess up white's pawn structure on the king side. Probably eventually play e5, get rid of this backwards pawn, have two pawns in the center, or semi-center, that are unopposed. This will be a passed pawn, good position for black. So yeah, after this, I played h6, but f6 was the move, and I will remember that in the future. I mean, a lot of times you do want to play f6, and here time is of the essence. This knight took time off to go all the way over here, and now we can put more pressure on the center and take advantage of the fact that this knight is pinned to the queen, and we can bring this rook to bear too. If he say plays h3, well, we attack the queen and then take this, and we're dominating. So instead, after knight e4, I just kicked the bishop kind of lamely. I took. Now it's kind of equal. I took, he took. And I played f6 right away. Thought about playing c5 here. And if he takes the knight, take here, 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 and yeah, this looks equalish. Somehow, Engine says black is better. I guess because this pawn could be weak, but also my king is more drafty than his, so whatever, probably about equal. But I didn't play c5, I played f6, and this makes me a little nervous with all three pawns up like this. I'm not going to draw a third circle. But after here, yeah, I should have taken, and rook f5. That would have been good, better. Instead, what did I do? Oh, I did take. Ah, yeah, and here, yeah, rook f5 was the move. After rook f5, I was worried about f4. I mean, not worried about it, but I mean, a little worried. I was just like, okay, now what is this guy doing? But yeah, g5 is a powerful move. Yeah, the engine just doesn't have fear. It's just, if there's no reason to be, I mean, this is one of these moves, like, on principle you wouldn't want to make, but the reason the engine kills us all is because it doesn't play on principle, it plays concrete, and concrete, this move is good. If he takes, I can, first I can take here, make the queen move, and then take with the rook or the queen, I guess the queen. And okay, my king looks a little exposed, but I have 1, 2, 3 central pawns. Well, I guess, am I losing this one? Is there tricks? Where's the tricks? Oh yeah, the trick is domination. On the second rank, this queen is offsides. The rook nicely protects e6. Yeah, that would be game over. So yeah, g5. moves like G5 is the difference between a 3,000 plus level engine and a 2,000 level me. So I didn't play G5. That would have been a cool move to make. And this is where I spent a ton of time here. I don't remember exactly. This was a 5-minute game. I think I had more than 4 minutes left here. And I spent like a minute and a half to play this. I didn't know whether I wanted one of the rooks to the C file to support C5, but of course he can just plop at knight there. So I'm like, no, that's stupid. And it's a question of which rook to bring. I could bring one of the rooks here, but this pawn's protected. He can. What the hell? Hang on. All right, we're back. That was super lame. So we lost our analysis when the page crashed, but yeah. So yeah, rook f5 with the idea that if f4 g5 would have been a cool idea. Instead, I just played this kind of passive move. I mean, this is what chess is all about in middle games, and especially blitz. If you can come up with the middle game plan fast, you're gonna win way more often than not. And this is why you see such disparity in blitz. Like I'm a 1900, 2000 level player, but there's guys who are lower rated than me who can beat me in blitz, just because I hesitate so much in the middle game. Yeah, maybe in a slow game I would think about. Even in a slow game, I might not even have the balls to consider rook f5, f4, g5. Although I will know if I ever get a similar position to this. And yeah, I'm just kind of stuck for a plan. Bishop f8, and here I just blundered the c pawn. I literally spent more than half my time in the whole game playing rook here and bishop here, so pretty lame. But fortunately, he's playing really fast and he didn't take. And then sometimes you get psychologically messed up and on the clock messed up, and then you just start playing aggressive, bad moves. So yeah, engine just says, okay, admit this is stupid, defend this pawn. Maybe later you can come here. But I thought, well, I'm gonna counterattack. He takes, I'm gonna attack his queen. But yeah, this is not really working. It's not the end of the world, but yeah, here, what did I miss? Why am I losing so badly? Oh, yeah, I can take twice and then fork my queen and rook here. Fortunately, he missed that. He checked me. Again, knight c5 is a good move. He missed it. And yeah, now he blunders this pawn. And I didn't take it. Oh, I did take it. I did take it, but then I missed here. And yeah, it's equal. I'm saving one of my rooks by hitting his queen. And yeah, his queen c1 takes. Move the rook somewhere here. And yeah, engine says equal, but I like black because these two central pawns and the bishop. Although black's king is way more exposed. So, anyways, that's what should have happened. Everyone likes, let's say what should have happened. Like, if I was an engine and I could beat everybody all the time, that's what should have happened. But instead, I just blundered here. I didn't see how to save both the rooks, even though this move is obvious. See, this is why I'm trying to stay off blitz, because if I can't make good moves, if I can't, like, I'm sure in a game, or even in a 10-minute game, I'm sure I'd find this. But I had like a minute left here, and yeah, this is game over. I resigned. In certain situations, bishop versus rook, maybe you can hold it, but obviously not here. My king is cut off. It's totally losing, so I resigned. But yeah, the most interesting moment, we lost all our hard work. Not here, a little further back, was instead of h6, f6. So if you play these structures, always remember these ideas, especially when white goes with some kind of slow plan trying to dominate this square. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Good night.